Hello everyone. Today I'm going to create one short video on how to capture your screen using free screen recorder. For that, just go to Google and type screen recorder. So you can see here a link, screen recorder, Screencast-O-Matic. Click on this, scroll down and see for link or screen recorder. Okay, click this. So you have to click on this launch free recorder. If you are using first time, then it will download a file which will install on your computer, and then you will be ready to use. Since I already downloaded, I'll click on this launch free recorder, and it says that recorder will appear in a second, and you will find a screen like this. It will have three mode. One is screen, webcam, and both. So if you just want to record screen, then you have to select this option. If you want to show your face, then you can use this webcam. Or if you want to show screen as well as webcam, then you can select both. Once you are ready to record, click on this red button, record, and the recording will start. You can see this line, so you can drag and drop, drag or extend just to record your screen. And once you are done, click on this record again, and it will stop recording. I hope this will be useful for you. See you in next video.